Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm so sorry to be delayed in picking the winner of my hop from the Heart of a Crafter YouTube hop. These are the chocolate wrappers I made for my hubby for Valentine's, and I'm supposed to be on vacation right now, but I've been so sick. I'm actually home and I've just gotten my voice back. Anyway, this is the YouTube random comment picker. I've put my URL in there. I've typed in the phrase "love is in the air," which is the phrase you needed to put into your comment to be entered into the drawing for the giveaway. And the winner is Marla H. Congratulations, Marla. Please email me to my email address in the description box below. Thanks all of you who hopped along and showed such great love and support for all of the YouTubers sharing their crafts with you all. I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day, and I hope to be back here soon sharing more crafts with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.